The sweat glands are actually simple tubular glands. However, we will not be able to see the entire length of the sweat glands because the sweat glands are highly coiled glands. And they are highly coiled so that we will be able to see several cross-sectional views of the coiled sweat glands, including the ductal portions are also coiled. And this is why we will not be able to see the entire length of the sweat gland. So, later nyo na lang i-learn yung secretory portion and then the ductal portions. So anyway, just remember that sweat glands will not be seen in their entire length, although they are tubular, because they are highly coiled. Next slide is the scalp. Just to check if you have remembered something. Identify the structures pointed. Sweat glands. Very good. Sweat glands. So, we're looking at the histology of the scalp. We should be able to see the roots of the hair, which are called the hair follicles. Okay, those are the hair follicles. Now, always connected to a hair follicle is that gland, which is the sebaceous gland. So, sebaceous gland, sebaceous gland. There's air ducts open in the hair follicle. Okay? What is the purpose of the secretions of the oil gland? Sebum. It will maintain the integrity of the hair. Okay, always connected ang sebaceous glands to the hair follicles. Okay, sebaceous gland and then sweat gland. Sweat gland, sebaceous gland. Associated with hair follicle. Next slide. Duodenum. So, kung ano yung na-discuss natin kanina about the ileum, same will be the feature for the duodenum. So, identify the structure pointed. Bilus, pag isa lang. What type of epithelium?
Simple columnar.
Simple squamous epithelium. And then the epithelium invaginates to form the very elongated, simple tubular glands. What is the other name of the small intestinal glands?
Crypts of the liver.
Okay, the crypts of Livercorn. What are the specialized structures projecting from the surface of the epithelial cells?
Goblet cells.
Specialized structures projecting from the surface of the absorptive cells. Microvilli. So please do not forget those features. That is the type of exam or question that will come out in the practical exam. Sharo, gano'n niya ma-perfect ang practical. Next, the pancreas. Endocrine or exocrine gland? Endocrine or exocrine?
Endo and exo.
Both. Both. What are examples of hormones produced in the pancreas? Insulin and glucagon. Now, we will start with, just like the parotid gland, the secretory portions are composed of what type of alveoli are present in the parotid gland? Serous or mucus? Serous. So because What enzyme is present in the saliva?
Amylase.
Amylase. What is the exocrine product of the pancreas? Exocrine product of the pancreas. The digestive enzymes. Enzymes are by nature protein. That is why the cytoplasm of the epithelial cells of the acini are dirty looking. Granular. Okay, so identify the structure pointed. What?
Interlobular duct.
Interlobular duct. And then that duct inside the lobule. Okay, so we have just studied the exocrine portion. Secretory portion is what type of acinus? Serous, which are grouped into lobules. Inside a lobule, a duct is called
Intra.
outside of the lobule.
Inter.
That is the endocrine portion. Areas inside the lobules which have lighter staining. Okay, it is where the cells responsible for producing insulin, glucagon, somatostatin are located. Those mas ma-appreciate sa low power. They are called the
Islet of Langerhans.
very good, the islets of Langerhans. Endocrine portion. So, the thing that you need to remember about the pancreas is that the histology looks very similar with that of the parotid gland, except for the presence of the islets of Langerhans. What type of epithelium is shown?
Stratified square.
Okay, that should be your answer in the practical exam. Always give the complete name of the epithelium. And then identify the structures pointed. Sweat glands. Okay, sweat glands. How about that gland? Sebaceous glands. So you have sweat glands. How about those glands? Those glands with larger lumen. So you have sebaceous, sweat. How about those glands? We are looking at the histology of the kilikili. Axillary skin. Those are still sweat glands. The apocrine sweat glands. Majority of the sweat glands in our body are eccrine or apocrine? Eccrine. That is why yung magbaho lang na pawis is in the kilikili and in the groin, because the sweat produced in those areas are coming from the apocrine sweat glands. Now that is the appearance of the epithelial cells of the apocrine sweat glands. What type of epithelium? Pasta secretory portion, columnar. Ductal portion, cuboidal. Simple or stratified? Simple. Now, you will be able to say for sure that those are apocrine sweat glands because of the color of the cytoplasm. What color can you see? Red. That is the red to pink. So that is the characteristic color of the cytoplasm of the apocrine epithelial cells. So they are larger in size and more red in color than the usual eccrine sweat glands. So eccrine sweat glands and then apocrine sweat glands. Do you have any question? So we have...
Eccrine is similar to sweat gland.
It is a classification of sweat gland. Eccrine and then apocrine. What's the difference between the manner of secretion between the two? Eccrine and apocrine.